Hi, I'm Asif Farouk and this is Finextra at Sibos. I'm joined today by Nanda Kumar of SunTec. Thank you for joining us. So there's been a lot of talk at Sibos this year about big data. I just want to know, what are your thoughts on big data and how do you think it's evolving?
So big data is, to me, it's only about the technology, but what we really need to understand is the shift towards understanding the customer, or customer centricity, is the key driver, which is what is the objective. So that's the objective. And big data is going to enable this as a technology forum to understand the customer more and offer your product and services accordingly. So to us, it's about understanding the customer. Customer centricity is the theme which is driving all the big data or all this advent of new technologies.
So SunTec this year has a huge presence at Sibos and it looks like there's a lot going on with you. Can you just tell us what's been going on at SunTec since we last spoke?
Yeah, so we just started this journey about 2 to 2.5 years ago, looking at what is going to be after the financial crisis and how industries were shaping up. So it became very, very clear revenue management becomes the focus of every organization, for that matter, to the banks, for that matter. They're constrained by a lot of regulations and what they can do, what they cannot do, and is taking away a lot of their revenue. So having a very, very robust revenue management system was the focus. What we've done is shifting the entire focus, not just pricing, transaction, billing, to the holistic view of the revenue management. That's a fundamental shift which we made last year. I mean, almost 2 years back. Then linked with that, the business assurance aspect of it, because it's not about revenue management. We also need to guarantee the viability of doing things and making sure the regulations are considered. So the regulatory and the risk aspect was also brought into the equation to make sure that it's a consistent and robust revenue management framework. That is what we introduced as one of the major shifts in our strategy. This happened last year, and we have won a lot of customers in the last 2 or 3 years, both global deployments as well as very, very industry-specific deployments too.
So you announced the expansion of your product suite into revenue management and business assurance exactly a year ago. Are you on track with your product plans?
Absolutely. I mean, what is really happening right now is when we talked about this, it was in a very nascent stage of thinking, and assuring business assurance and revenue management as a key focus is becoming a key driver for most of the organization. And the way they are looking at it is the customer centricity. If you look at every customer, every speech happening in Sibos, everyone is talking about you need to be more customer centric. And yesterday, as a keynote speaker, the last concluding remark was about we need to understand our customers. I mean, everything, technology, everything is all about that. And it's a great way of how things are evolving, and we are in the right path on that. And one of the latest testimonial on this is some of the wins which we have done in the recent past.
And what is unique about the Visa deal, and what do you think are some of the unique challenges that brought Visa to select you?
I talked about the revenue management. What we've done, I mean, you just dwell into the Visa deal itself, and this is something which we just announced today. I mean, you would have seen that it's been announced. And this is a complete end-to-end revenue management, advanced revenue management system for Visa, which is not about just one aspect of pricing or billing, the comprehensive aspect of this. And that is what we have won today. And it is a very high volume business. It's highly transaction oriented. We have been chosen as a partner for delivering that. And what it means is it reinforces our belief on the holistic revenue management philosophy which we are embarked 2 years back, and that is revalidated. Visa has chosen us based on two fundamental considerations. The sheer scale of their business is too huge. I mean, the ability to scale up to that level. And also what is going to happen in the future is about the kind of agility they need in their business models. Because more and more new business models would evolve. They wanted a platform which is very, very agile and which is very, very scalable. So one of the two considerations which we got qualified, and we are very thankful to Visa, the whole decision makers, in helping us winning this deal.